Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Uh, so this is one question which most of them keep asking me, sir, which strategy shall I invest on, or which method shall I use as an investment? Which is the best investment to be short? So this question keeps on coming. So I felt a thought that yes, it's high time that I make a video on it and I explain very clearly on which you have to invest, on which strategy you have to invest, and which is investment profile or portfolio and all those things, etc., etc. There are n number of things in when you come to investment. Okay, so this video is dedicated to all of you who are in search of a very good investment, those who want to know which is the best investment for a very good future. And I would say the investment which I am going to tell about, if you start investing, it is going to be a lifelong return. You're going to have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundred percent of returns on this investment. And trust me, you will also agree with me when I finish my explanation, when I finish the end of this video. You will also agree with me, yes, it is the correct investment which we have to do. Okay friends, so shall we go ahead with the video? And people who are watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell button. You'll be getting lots of videos and updates on all my strategies and all my updates and all trading related information. You'll be getting regular updates. Okay, yes. So first, one thing which I want to say you is, investments which are as of now are all temporary. Now, this is a very controversial and a very bold statement. There will be many controversies. There will be many people who will be asking, how is that investments are temporary? The reason, because I would tell you that you can ask your parents or you can ask your grandparents. They will say that during their period, investment was nothing but fixed deposits. Or the worst case, they had something called as saving bank accounts. So these were their investments. Then came a time when they started RDs, then they started mutual funds, then there was ELSs, then there was etc., etc., etc. Now it has gone even to cryptocurrencies and etc. Ask me not, there are many, many, many things. If you Google, you'll come to know. So this is the reason why I am saying investments are just a temporary vehicle. It just take you from point A to point B. Say for example, you want to go from Bangalore, you want to go to any location in Hyderabad, Chennai or Delhi, anywhere. You just have to climb a vehicle. That vehicle will take you from this point A, it will take you and you to leave you to point B. In the same way, all the investments as of now, we need to have a plan. It will just take you, for example, you want 100% return, then you have to take an FDA with a return of 10% every year. So it will just take you from 1 lakh to 10 lakh, 1 lakh to 2 lakh. These investment vehicles just take you from point A to point B. That's all is investment. Okay. So now the question comes, then what do we invest on? What is the best investment? Now here comes the answer. Invest on the investor. Okay. Does it sound a little confusing? No. Invest on the investor. Now who is this investor? It is you. You are the investor. Don't invest on the temporary investments which keep coming. It will have very high values. It will have it will be a viral, and many people will be investing on it. Again, it will go down. Then returns will be very bad. Say for example, FD at once upon a time was one among the best and the safest thing. It was very viral. You can see all your parents having big FDs. Then came the share market. Many were buying stocks in share market, and all the stocks were booming. So those were in temporary investments vehicles. Okay, but coming to the investor, the person is still the same. Say for example, you are investing first in FD or in stock market or future, cryptocurrencies or anything which comes. You are the investor. So the best part is to invest in yourself. And how do you invest on yourself? It is by educating yourself continuously. Yes, friends, spend time, spend energy on your education. This is the best investment which you can do. There are n number of people who ask me, sir, which is the strategy which I should follow? Which is the best strategy? Please tell me where I get 10% returns. On which shall I invest? Shall I invest on gold or should I invest on stocks? Friends, there are lots and lots of questions which come on this. I get I feel very upset hearing these questions when I tell them that please don't invest in all these things. First, you learn. You invest on yourself. Spend time, energy, money, whatever you want. Invest on yourself. You study, take courses, go through courses, go to seminars, attend seminars, or if possible, take up, there are many workshops going on. Spend time on yourself and try to understand everything which is available in stock market, or it is not only limited to stock market, anything. And when you invest on yourself, then there is not going to be any end. Whatever the vehicle is, you will be successful. Okay, I'm not saying that take FD or take that. I'm telling you that spend for your education, or spend time for your education, invest on yourself. Once you do that, you can invest in any investments and you can reap the benefit. Because, say for example, stock market. The stock market is same even for me and for you, or even for Warren Buffett or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. For everybody it is the same. But how is that different peoples are having different returns? Just ask this question to yourself. The reason is because the investors are different. The investment still remains the same, but the investors are different. So spend time, energy and money for your education. Become a very good investor. Learn all the basics, and then don't blindly depend on any calls or anybody who is just giving you calls. Those are all temporary. Instead of that, I would suggest also learn. Try to understand what's the reason behind that. Okay, so by that what will happen, you yourself will become an investor. You will know what decision to be taken, which stock to be invested, and all those things. Okay, so friends, one more thing which I want to give you update here is, I want to share you one book which really changed my life in terms of investing and in terms of taking up this big challenge of trading stock market. There is one book which really changed my life. It is not purely into stock market and all those things. It is a generalized book on investing. This book is a very big success in all over the world, and I was lucky enough to get a chance to touch this book and start reading this book. And then trust me, it really changed my life. The way of thinking, the way of investing, the way of trading, everything got changed. So I would recommend this book to you all, and I would proudly present to you the name of the book. It's nothing but Rich Dad's Guide to Investing. And the tagline is, what the rich invest in that the poor and middle class do not. Okay, the author of the book is Robert Kiyosaki. He is an American author, but born Japanese guy. But his English is very simple. You don't have to worry. You will understand. It is very layman's term. The link of this for buying it, I have provided in the description of this video, just in case if you want to place order immediately. I have provided the link of Amazon in this description of this video. It hardly costs around 200-300 rupees. That's it, friends. You can buy this book. Trust me, it will change your life, the way of thinking and your way of investment. So take this as step number 1 of your investing on yourself. And also I would recommend you to go through my videos, study all my videos, go through all my strategies which are given, study it and start trading on yourself, start trading yourself. Yeah, friends. So this book, Rich Dad's Guide to Investing, is really beautiful. There was one more book called as Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Okay, that was the initial book which became very famous. But it is not related to investing. It is about yourself. It is about your personal finance. But this book is more into investing. Okay, so he will teach many things in this. I don't want to reveal all the secrets now itself, and I would recommend everyone to start reading this book, friends. And also don't go through please do go through my videos. And also in any help or additional services you want, you can always WhatsApp me. And then now you would have already watched my live trading videos going on regarding the 60 days challenge. It's a very beautiful program where I'm doing this nifty trend analysis. And in case if you also want to join the campaign, you also can join along with me. And hopefully all those who have learned the course are all able to successfully trade along with me. So I'll be posting the video live, so that if any confusion is there, any clarification is there, you also can go through. You can also correct yourself, and it will give a lot of confidence booster. Yeah. But last but not the least, if you want to join Upstock, use the the link which I given in the description of this video. And don't forget to use the promo code FEB300. You will be getting 300 rupees brokerage return. So whatever 300 rupees you spend for opening this Demat account, you will be getting 300 rupees as brokerage return. So it is almost technically free. It's a very good platform promoted by Ratan Tata. So don't forget to utilize the benefits provided. Okay, friends. So any other doubts, any other confusion, always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525. Let me repeat it, 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day.